Hello everyone, in this video, I will introduce the configuration software for the LX6C Wecon CODESYS tool. This video mainly introduces these four aspects: communication configuration, time setting, language setting, and firmware upgrade. In communication option, the tool provides two ways to connect to the LX6C. One is through a Type-C USB cable, and the other is through an Ethernet cable. Once the connection is successful, we can see the device information on the right side of the software, such as device model, IP address, firmware version, etc. If you need to modify the IP address of this PLC, click Network. You can set either a static IP or a dynamic IP. LX6C supports RTC function. Via this tool, you can synchronize the PC's time to the PLC. After the software installation is complete, if the interface is in Chinese, you can switch it through the Options interface. Language setting will take effect after the tool restarted. Finally, and most importantly, the new version of the software now supports firmware updates for the LX6C via network mode to facilitate functionalities updates. We will provide upgrade code based on customers' requirements. Please enter the code into the input box and click Inquire. The software will connect to the server to check availability. If the validation is successful, he will display the validity period, the remaining number of uses, and other related information. Then click Upgrade to perform the upgrade operation. After the upgrade is complete, please repower the PLC as prompted. Once the PLC resumes operation, you can check if the firmware version is correct.